Hi there, this is Marisa from DigitalScrapbook.com, and today I have a new vlog for you. These are just a few clips from my life here in Bergen, Norway. We had a lot of actually sunny days in February, which is really nice. Bergen is the rainiest city in Europe, and so if we get sunny days, we get very excited about them. And so we had a pretty nice February. We'll see how the spring comes in, see if all the rains will be coming back. In these clips, I'm just taking the scenic route to pick up my son Magnus from school in the afternoon. We live right in the center of Bergen, and so we walk through all the main tourist sites on the way to his school. His school has a sign out that says it's the oldest school in the Nordic countries, which sounds like quite a claim. I can't verify it beyond the sign that they hung up, but it's been a school for a long time, since the 1700s. So it's a really cool place for him to be this year. And here they are, my kids in a little sandbox right behind our house. There's an alley behind our house, which has this like micro park in it with this little sandbox. We took a trip in February to Oslo. My husband had to go to a meeting for his Fulbright Fellowship, which is why we're here in Norway. And so we got to take the train from Bergen to Oslo, which is one of my favorite things to do. It's a very scenic route. Lots of tunnels, lots of mountains, lots of lakes. And eventually we'll come to, once we get a little more inland from Bergen, we will hit the snow. And so it was a really lovely trip, a lovely chance to get away for a few days and enjoy the scenery of Norway. And here we come to the studio part of this vlog. Here I'm just running through all of my layouts that I've made. This is quite a stash of layouts here. This is maybe even from a couple of weeks. I got a little behind with our trip to Oslo. And so I like to scrapbook on my iPad. And so then after I've done that, I bring them in here onto my laptop and just kind of finish things up and save things. I actually just wiped my laptop, and so I have like a fresh install of Photoshop here, and so I have to keep pausing to like try to get my settings back to the way I like them. But it's nice to have a spring clean, a fresh start. My laptop had been running kind of slow, so it was time to start over, but now I've got to try to remember how I had everything just the way I like it. I'll leave some details in the comments below with some of these different notebooks and things that I'm using here. And since I don't have my laptop quite set up yet, I won't be able to, after I get all these images made, I drag them into my iPad as kind of like a finished project. But today I will have to save that for later because I don't have my documents or my Google Drive set up yet. But thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know below in the comments. It's fun to make, and so if you like making it, let me know so I can keep doing it. All right, have a great day.